Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country, equipped with a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated ventilated seats, the Santi Black Label aftermarket wheels, power sliding sunroof, heads-up display, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we've got this paneling coupled to storage on the bottom next to the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows, seat memory, and your high country badging with the wooden chrome accents. These chrome running boards here. It's power adjustable, heated and ventilated leather seats. High country stitch, super nice. Turn on the fans here. Left side you'll have your vents and as well as your heads-up display. And down below will be your 2- and 4-wheel drive mode selector, and lighting control. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control with 2 paddle shifters right behind. Now for the odometer, you can access all your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, adaptive cruise control, as well as your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as the parallel mirror cams, as well as the bed view, with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and access to Google News and podcasts. Down below, you're going to have lane keep assist, park assist, and auto stop. And right next to your push to start is your integrated brake controller, next to your dual zone climate controls, 2 USB ports on the side. Center console, you got the new shifter with the wireless charger pad, 2 more USB ports and an AC wall port there. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, that high country stitch. Wooden chrome all the way across, speakers, vents up top, regular and digital rear view, and then here you can access reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your power sliding sunroof. So you're gonna have these blacked out 24-inch Santi Black Label wheels on iMove Gen 2 tires with the High Country and Duramax badging, chromed mirror caps and chrome keyless entry door handles. Coming to the back, you're gonna have the truck here, a low pro tonneau cover, with the paint match corner step bumper with the dual exhaust. Trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under. And then it's the back, you get your 2 LED lamps as well as an AC wall port with around 12 bed tie downs, your brand bed liner. It's a pretty spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear interior, get more paneling storage next to the speaker, power window with the wooden chrome. Hop up. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with rear cup holders, rear heated seating, vents, and USB ports. Cup holder and armrest right in the center, as well as storage behind the seats and storage under, with lamps up top and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country, equipped with a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine, as well as 24-inch Santi Black Label wheels, heated ventilated seats, power sliding sunroof, heads-up display, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.